Hi, my name is Veronica Gentry and I'm here today with Design Essentials. And today we have our lovely model, Nadia. Nadia, I really am loving that color on you, honey.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.
What brought you in today?
I recently got my hair colored about a month ago and I need to keep up with the integrity and health of my hair.
Any style options that you're looking for, anything of that nature?
Yes, I'm going out with the girls and I need a style that's gonna hold. It's been pretty hot, so my hair hasn't been holding.
So I'm gonna get you cleansed, conditioned, and give you a great style that's gonna hold up while you're out with your girls tonight. Sounds good to you?
Yes, that sounds perfect.
Awesome, so we're gonna head over to the shampoo bowl and start the cleansing process. Step 1, cleanse with our Honey Cream Moisture Retention Super Detangling Conditioning Shampoo. This moisture reserving quick lather detangling shampoo cleanses and restores moisture, leaving the hair extremely soft, manageable, and hydrated. It quickly softens, detangles, and smooths the hair cuticle. It is gentle and a non-stripping formula that can be used daily, and also is sulfate-free. Condition using our Almond Butter Express Instant Moisturizing Conditioner. This is a lightweight blend of botanical emollients and moisturizers that provide instant hydration to the hair. Enriched with nourishing almond butter, which softens and detangles instantly, hair is guaranteed to be weightless, silky, and smooth. It seals the cuticle and locks in added moisture, enhances manageability while adding body and shine, and it can be used daily or weekly on all hair types. Step 3. Prep the hair using Bamboo and Silk HCO Leave-In Conditioner. This is an intercellular treatment which acts as a conditioner and a blow drying agent. It is enriched with bamboo extract and silk protein. It quickly penetrates deep within the hair shaft to strengthen and replenish, leaving the hair soft, manageable, and full of body. It instantly moisturizes, softens, and detangles the hair. It restores and strengthens the hair shaft and provides a protective layer to prevent heat damage. Step 4, style. style using Silk Essentials Thermal Strengthening Serum. This is a lightweight strengthening and smoothing serum that easily penetrates the cuticle and locks in moisture during heat styling, leaving the hair shiny and full of body. It improves hair manageability while imparting shine and a high gloss finish. This gentle, lightweight formula is perfect for all hair types and can be used wet or dry. It also protects from damage during heat styling. For the ultimate styling aid, Quick Dry Aerosol Spritz, the first of its kind, combining the best of an aerosol spray and spritz in just one product. This innovative aerosol spritz offers unparalleled control and volume, making it the ultimate styling tool for professionals and hair enthusiasts alike. Designed for precision, Quick Dry Spritz dries quickly, leaving the hair with incredible shine and superior style memory without any residue or flaking. It protects hair from the damaging effects of heat styling and ensures hair remains dry when applying heat, minimizing the damage. Perfect for achieving flexible, long-lasting styles, this product is ideal for all hair types and styling needs. Step 5. Finish and maintain. Using our Reflections Liquid Shine Spray. This is a unique, lightweight, nourishing formula designed to add luster and natural sheen, leaving your hair weightless and voluminous. It smooths and eliminates frizz without weighing the hair down, controlling flyaways. It also provides thermal protection during heat styling and contains no alcohol. This is excellent for all hair types.